What up, guys? Today we're buying Tommy's Midori 1400 mile or 14,000 mile, whatever.
1400,
bro.
Original mile.
That shit looks like it has 214,000 miles.
I'm gonna tell them how many your white car has.
No, I'm sorry. Anyways,
He goes, oh, no, I'm sorry.
I just want to get this out of the way. So everybody in Tommy's comments keeps saying that I already bought Tommy's car. No,
it's in the back of the shop.
So today is June 7th. I don't know if you guys can see it. June 7th.
1 p.m.
My car that I built, the Midori Hatch, had 120,000 miles, and I bought mine from Georgia. Originally came from Cali. Tommy's car is original Connecticut car, so we had them both at the same time. Tommy didn't want to sell it at the time when I wanted to buy it, but how many Hondas do you have left at the shop? 0?
I got a Grom.
That's not yours anymore either.
I have a 110. CRF 110.
Well, anyways, I built I built my car on my channel. This was back like 3 months ago, and he still has his 1400 mile original EK Hatch. So they're not the same cars.
Why do people think that?
Because when you said in your video you filmed it back when it was snowing.
Well, half of the video.
Yeah, but we had it at the same time
when it was delivered.
So everybody keeps thinking that, oh, I already built the car and that you were late on your videos, but that's not the case.
That'd be crazy.
That'd be stupid. It'd be like
crazy.
It'd be like he first.
What are you gonna do to the hatch?
I need to see it to make a decision, because you basically bashed the fucking car in your video, and which I don't blame you.
You think I bashed it?
From looking at the car, if I was going to buy the car, I wouldn't buy it anymore after your video.
Really?
Because I looked at it, I was like, damn, that shit is like, I'm gonna call that car a Hail Mary.
There's a that's a 1 in a million car. It's a 96 Midori. How many Midoris do they make? Do you know?
Not that many, but I've owned a good amount, a fair amount.
I don't think it's like a rare color, but the part where it gets rare is that it's 1,400 miles. Fuck the condition. I mean, it's not great, but
put it like this though, 1,400 miles. Like whoever's buying that is buying it for original condition. Like
it's got the original tires on it.
Yeah, that's great.
Wait till you see it.
If I could, my plan is, I told everybody that I wanted to all-wheel drive K-swap the hatch, or you should have built the car like that.
Right.
But they're gonna fucking bash me for even touching the car like that, you know?
Sure.
So,
but you still should do it because it's funny.
The Honda community would fucking hate me. If I can PDR the car, I'd put on Bring a Trailer if I could get it kind of clean. Let's get a pull real quick under the bridge. This shit sounds just like an R8.
It really does.
It sounds good. So if I could PDR the car and it comes out great, and you know, like if Tommy ice blasts the engine bay, like
you have to do a lot.
Yeah,
it needs a bit, but that's the whole point of buying a Honda. It's not like just flip it or keep it stock.
That's got to be the original one, like the only one in existence with that low mileage. I don't know of any. I don't know of any.
Like if it was red, I wouldn't even have looked at that car. I would have just said, who cares?
I don't even want to look at the car right now. And every time I'm with you, I'm either getting, honestly, it's not a great deal. Like, I feel like
I got this cash.
I feel like we're only friends because
you buy my Hondas?
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, but I got good Hondas.
I guarantee you'll never call me after today again, because
that's
like,
bullshit.
you don't have any more Hondas left.
That's bullshit. I got to use your dyno.
Yeah, that's bullshit. You see what kind of friendship this is, right?
You gotta come pick up the Grom.
We'll be at Tommy's shop maybe like 20-30 minutes. All right, the moment everybody's really been waiting for, I've been waiting for. It's my first time seeing this car like outside.
Look at that hood. That hood looked like the roof.
This is probably the best thing after the PDR. It came out fucking great. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's mint.
They can't even see the roof, I bet.
This is fucked.
Yeah, that sucks. And like, but you know what? I think even if that didn't happen, you see it like failing all the way across.
I don't know how the fuck does that even happen, though?
I've never seen it, unless
like
this.
white.
I thought at first this caused that, but it's not bad. It goes all the way over to there, and there's no crack.
It's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Like, here's the door thing I was telling you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe I'll bring it back to my shop, but that's not that bad. Honestly, outside you can't even see all the dents. Well, there's not that many. I don't know if you guys. It's like a lot of like small.
They're really
ones.
like I told you. You remember you're like, oh, the pillars are fucked.
No, they're not that.
Fine.
They're not that bad.
Look at this interior though.
There's a roof molding.
I got you an exhaust shield.
Yeah, because the one that's on there is shit.
Look at that.
I think it's fresh.
Brand new.
The best thing about this car is the interior. Well, First, the fucking miles, 1,400 miles. Yo, Tommy, you fucking unplugged the cluster.
Carfax it. It comes up.
You
Check it out.
unplugged the cluster in this bitch.
Original radio.
What the fuck is in there?
I don't know. Like Honda installed it. It's got some alarm too.
All right, now seeing the car in person,
It's not that bad.
it's not even that bad. I don't.
It's like dirty, but
You know what it is? You made the car seem a lot worse than what it was. Like a lot worse.
I'm kind of a stickler, you know.
Like a lot. There's no fucking rust.
Nope.
Fucking definitely original tires. These shits are fucked.
Dude, the day on them
Like,
says 95.
Look, I don't know if you guys, it's fucking dry. They're dry rotted. I'm probably gonna catch a flat on the ride home.
You're gonna be calling me like, hey. Oh, right from here you can see the dents good on the roof. Staying right in the back.
It's hard to get. Oh, you can see it. This thing needs a carbon roof like tomorrow.
Yeah. Or PDR.
You think PDR? The roofs are hard, like super hard to do.
He said he'd do it no problem.
The hood latch thing is still on there.
What's that?
The hood latch clip usually breaks on the EK.
Oh yeah, no. We just threw the hood on, so it's not really like aligned. I just didn't want it somewhere getting fucked up. Where the fuck is the thing?
You're definitely not a fucking Honda guy. Watch this.
There it is.
Didn't hear all the acorns?
That sucks.
It's clean though, because the bottom of the hood is pretty fresh.
Yeah.
The only shitty part about this is
Honestly, like it's just the exposed metal stuff.
it's not bad. AC still working here?
I don't know.
I'm
telling you, you can clean this up.
I definitely can, because look, there's some, like the lower parts are still zinc. It's just
Still good.
everything on the top half.
Yeah, like every bracket, like that one's nasty.
Yeah. But I can bring all that stuff back.
Look at this. They did like, this is the like delivery thing. Then they got something written here, 12/26/95 from when it was dropped off.
This
like,
car's a 96, right?
Yeah.
He said 1 year.
1 year. Not Midori's only came 96.
I swear I had a 97. No? 96?
Only 96.
The battery get in here?
Oh, but that alarm will kill it.
I'm gonna take that shit out. It's CX. Mine was a DX, the one we just built.
Oh yeah.
Yo, show, real quick, show. You got your phone with you?
Yeah.
What's today's date?
June 7th.
June 7th. And this is not, again, not the Midori that we built at my shop.
Like, prove that shit.
Because people think, oh, same fucking car. It's not.
Wouldn't you? Don't they think you would have clickbaited the fuck out of them and said it was a 1,400 mile car? That's the whole value of this.
I would have.
Yeah, you would have.
Now looking at the car, I think people would be upset if I K-swap turbo.
You have to.
No.
That's what you said. 21,000 subs. You do it.
No.
You're gonna hit it today.
I don't know. I honestly.
What else can you do?
I try to restore it. I try to like fact.
Brother said no, sir.
I don't think my brother has seen the car,
Right.
and especially I seen the car with the hood fucked up. Now I seen the car with the like PDR guy bringing it back. I feel like I could bring this whole car back.
They're all really shallow dents. That's all it is. Like super shallow.
If I brought this car back to original condition, like mint, like super clean,
Dude,
I don't know about that.
It's either worth 20 grand or 100. And I'm not like over exaggerating. I mean, that's not a thing. I guess I'm not exaggerating at 100K. There is some nut job out there whose fucking grandmother had a Midori green 96 and he's got more money than God and he would just put it in his garage. That's all you need is 2 idiots on Bring a Trailer. 2 idiots drive the price anything until they see this video. And then they're gonna be like, fuck, I don't wanna be an idiot.
I mean, the Type R sold for over 100 grand.
Right.
Right before you sold me yours. Fucking great timing, right? the prices went right up. So
Mine was good.
last Honda Civic Tommy owns,
Is it?
and that's pretty much is all like Nissans here.
Well, actually, they don't know about the one that's en route.
Yeah, one in route. And I bought your Honda Gram, so you can't say
I
you
don't
have
have
it.
any. I have the CRF. That's it. The 110. We have the windshield washer squirters. I think they're in the. Yeah, they're right there in the center
I
console.
bought a windshield yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. Had the windshield, new moldings.
Dude, the interior is crazy.
It is. It's really fucking nice.
Like this seat.
Usually they're ripped right there.
Yeah. Nowhere. Fucking stinks.
It does. It smells like fucking water.
It just smells like it's been sitting for 20 years, 20 something years.
Let's be real. This car is like, I don't know if this shit's gonna come back to life.
It's so weird.
I
It's
don't-
a weird
I don't
car.
know.
It's been passed the fuck around.
All right, so if it does come back to life, if I can get it back to like OEM spec and the car clean, I'll maybe put it on Bring a Trailer just so we can see what it's gonna bring, right?
Yeah.
And if I can't do that, it's getting carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood, carbon roof, carbon trunk.
I mean, the fenders are rough. Like this fender's rough.
That could definitely come out though.
This
I don't
one,
know about that
no.
one.
They can get better. You do a windshield, do that. Detail, the car's never been detailed. Get the rest of the roof done. I'll give you the PDR guy's number, my guy. Who knows?
K-swap turbo all-wheel drive though?
Put it in the comments. Make them decide.
All right.
You should just do a poll.
I don't know how to do that shit
You can do like a secondary website, like just type in like poll creator or something and then put the link in the description. K20.
I just let them leave it in the fucking comments.
Sure.
Yeah. So I'll get back to the shop. I'll show you guys like a full walk around of the car inside the shop.
Look underneath.
Is it good?
Get down there.
It is pretty good down there. Not bad. Not bad for a Connecticut car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was originally bought in Danbury.
Not bad. I'm surprised that she doesn't have rust from sitting.
Look, it's still got the rubber things. You love those.
Yeah, just like the EG.
Yeah.
So drop in the comments if we should put K turbo all-wheel drive, carbon front, carbon roof, carbon trunk, or should we keep it stock and just restore the car?
How much the PDR is going to cost?
Tell them.
Because that should decide.
How much is the rest of the
PDR is going to cost as much as carbon everything, probably times 2. What does the carbon roof, hood, and fenders cost?
Right now the hood is going for like $1,500.
Oh, okay.
Roof is like $2 grand.
So
Trunk is like 12. Fenders, maybe 12 to 1,400.
So let's just say you don't do the trunk because it only needs a roof, hood, and fenders. You're at $5 grand. That's what he wants for PDR, the roof. Well, like the rest of the car.
Almost the same.
It's almost the same.
Yeah.
So that's like a truthful comparison.
It's good.
Fix it all.
But then K turbo all-wheel drive, you're talking about another $60,000, $70,000.
Yeah, but I don't, how many people can say they fucked up a 1,400 mile Midori Hatch?
I don't think my viewers want me to fuck it up.
It's not fucking it up. These things suck. This thing makes what, 70 horsepower?
But
go back to the shop, do nothing, put on the dyno.
The boys will probably just try to blow it up to build it.
Just put it on the dyno.
This is I think it's the only 1,400 mile Civic in existence. Like I think.
Well, you know what I have coming.
That's not a US car though. Yeah. Not a US car.
Get it on the dyno. I want to see what a 1,400 mile EK.
It's probably gonna be shit. Remember I told you guys last time. I think the higher mileage cars make more power than the low mileage.
They loosen up and
shit. So. We're gonna start this car up, take it for a ride, bring it back to my shop.
Good luck with those tires.
Hour
and a half ride.
I'm gonna try to pop them when I get back.
Yeah, you might not need. You might not make it.
You think it'll be more valuable if I left the tires on here?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Original tires on Bring a Trailer, for sure.
All right.
Because then they know it hasn't been fucked with.
You got the mats?
What's in there is what I have.
Oh, there ain't shit in there. But I got the mats at my shop, like the official.
It'll start. The keys should be in it.
Is it?
Probably dead battery. Actually, I don't hear the alarm.
You tried to start it last time and didn't start.
I don't hear the beep. No, it's already dead. Keys in there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's dead.
Key?
This alarm is probably from like the 90s.
It's the most predictable alarm.
You couldn't even hear that shit even if you were inside your house.
Start her up. Kill all the value, put miles on her.
Oh, it's exactly at 1,400.
Yeah.
It sounds
timing belt's probably so old, I'm about to fucking break.
Imagine shit pops on the way home.
Yeah, so see ya, my last Honda. Make room for more Nissans.
Alright boys, gonna roll 1401 with you guys on camera. Honestly, I feel like pretty shitty driving the car right now back because it had 1400 00, but now it's got 1401. And then the greatest thing about this whole thing is the AC works in here. Like, it works really, really, really good. It's super cold too. I didn't think the AC was gonna work. 1401, you guys see that? I don't know, I feel bad driving, but at the same time, it's like, it's original, but it's not like, I don't know if it's gonna be a collector's car yet because depending on how good I can bring the car back, which I think I can, I've brought back a lot worse cars, like, you know, body-wise, engine bay-wise, but to keep a car factory is super hard to do, especially now in today's market when parts are just so hard to get right now. I think the one of the roof moldings are now discontinued, but Tommy has them in the trunk. He just gave me the windshield washer nozzles. I have the original mats, like the original, they're like gray, I have them. So I got a brand new windshield. I'm just gonna do it little by little and see. I really want a K turbo all-wheel drive, but I don't know if this is the car for it because someone might be upset at me out there for, I personally don't care what anybody thinks, but I feel like someone else can put this car somewhere, maybe like a museum, or like after I restore it, 'cause I'm gonna do it the right way. It's just tough. I can't make that decision right now on camera, but honestly, for 1400, now I just rolled 1402. For 1400 miles, this thing runs great. Like, the original tires feel like they have flat spots on them, which is not that big. They'll probably go away me driving, but car's super quiet, runs good, steers good, interior's mint. It smells like in here like someone detailed the car and just like left it, because they have the detail mats here on the floor. That's what it smells like. Someone detailed it, left the windows up, and then just let it sit. It's actually what happened, I think. I don't know how the hell the windshield got like that. It's got a bunch of like acorn dents on the roof. I'm trying to take the headliner off, talk to a PDR guy, and like I said, Tommy's guy wants $5,000. I think, drop in the comments what you guys think. What would you guys do? I think personally, I'm gonna try the PDR. Before I like completely tear this car apart. Or a K Turbo 1400 mile EK Hatch also sounds great, but it's just like, I don't know when I'm ever gonna see a car like this again. You know, it's like, I'm gonna restore it. I'll walk you guys through the process of it. It won't be like anytime soon, because we have a lot of projects at the shop, but we'll go through it together. No matter what, you guys will see what happens to this car, whether I restore it back to factory or K Turbo it. But I'd love to see you guys' comments and see what you guys think. What would you guys do with the car? You know, I think PDR would be great. The left fender and the driver's door is kind of questionable, but it has potential to come back. So let me know what you guys think.